Hey guys, it's me, Abaddon, back with another video. Today I'll show you our brand new top-load fully automatic washing machine with inverter from Panasonic. The model number is NA-FS10X7 with load capacity of 10 kilograms and power consumption of 480 watts. It has a retail price of around 25,000 Philippine pesos or $492 US. It has a 1-year warranty for parts and service and 12 years warranty for its motor. I did consider buying from other brands within this price range, but this one from Panasonic stands out among the rest, and you'll see why. Avoid placing your machine inside your bathroom as water moist can damage the unit. Also, avoid moving your machine from one place to another as this might damage the unit's motor. It has a built-in level tool that will tell you if the machine is sitting on an even surface. If the bubble is out of the mark, you can adjust the legs to the appropriate height. An unbalanced machine may not properly work and may eventually damage the motor. The accessories are easy to install. Push the bottom cover and tighten it with a screw. This will prevent rats and cockroaches from getting underneath your unit. Connect its water hose to the inlet port and the other end to the faucet. In this case, I needed to use an extension hose since the faucet was too far. You can easily get one from any hardware store. We can now turn on the water and leave it open. And lastly, we have the drain hose. Now let's quickly go over some of its features. What I love about this machine is the low water pressure feature. Unlike other brands, Panasonic can still function normally even with low water pressure. This is helpful to household like ours that has no pressurized water system installed. Same goes with fluctuating electricity. This wider voltage range feature allows this machine to run smoothly even during fluctuating electric currents. In case of a power outage, the auto restart technology helps this machine to automatically resume where it left off once the power returns. Its inverter feature makes it energy saving with less power consumption. Econavi is the Japan technology that gives this machine intelligent sensors that automatically detects water temperature, wash load amount, laundry material, then automatically adjusts operation to save energy, water, and time. It also comes with a turbo mixer that dissolves detergent for effective wash. You can either use a powder or liquid detergent. The third compartment is where your fabric conditioner goes. This side pocket is where you can also put your detergent or bleach. Below this is where you will find the lint filter. This is where all the dirt goes. To remove, just press and pull it from the top, pop it open, and rinse or scrub the inside to remove the dirt. You need to do this every after each operation. Once done, you can easily put it back without a problem. So this is how the machine looks on the inside. It has a beautiful stainless steel tub. Additional openings can be found around the rim of the tub where water cascades during washing. Now I'll be showing you how to use this machine. First, let's put the detergent and fabric conditioner. Then place the clothes inside the tub. Make sure to check and remove any loose items from your clothes like coins, clips, metals, as this can damage your unit. Turn the machine on. You'll notice that it is automatically set to its default program, which is normal. If you want to change this, you can choose from the other programs available. There is Speedy, Delicate, Baby Care, Water Save, Blanket, and Soap. The tub hygiene program is recommended to be used once a month. This thoroughly cleans the tub and removes mold and smell. There's a new program called StainMaster. This is designed to remove stubborn stains on heavily soiled clothes. Another new feature is the Tangle Care. Press this button to avoid getting your clothes too tangled. This preset button can be used to set a time delay for your machine to automatically start washing your clothes. There's an air dry button you can use especially during rainy seasons and getting your clothes to dry can be a little hard. Just press this button and it will make your clothes almost dry once done. And here we have the steps or processes that your clothes will go through. First is wash, then rinse, and then spin. You can manually set each of this process to your preferred settings. Likewise, you can press the water level button to change the amount of water depending on how much you want to use. But for this tutorial, we're not going to play with the settings manually, we'll just let the machine work on its own automatically. There we go, so again we'll be using the default program normal. Let's go ahead and press start. The machine is now analyzing the clothes inside the tub. It's now going to decide on how much water it's going to use and how much time the whole process will take. Now we'll see the settings chosen by the machine. So the wash will be 12 minutes, rinse is 2 times, spin is 5 minutes, water level is 38 liters, and the total time duration is 49 minutes. Now it's starting to put water into the tub. The amount of water that's gonna use is just enough for the clothes that we put in. There you'll see that it's now washing the clothes. Avoid opening the lid while the washing process is happening, but in cases where you need to add more clothes, just press the pause button so you can add the clothes and then just press the start button again. You'll notice that the way the tub rotates in both directions, clockwise and counterclockwise. Then you'll see a flashing light here that indicates where it's currently in progress. So we still have 41 minutes remaining. The washing process is now done and it's now draining the water. Now it's spinning the clothes for a little bit to remove the excess water. It's now starting to put water into the tub again. The clothes are now being rinsed. It's going to use the fabric conditioner on its last rinse. You'll see that the light indicator is now on rinse. We still have 25 minutes left. Now it's finished rinsing the clothes. I can smell the fabric conditioner. It's again draining the water out of the tub. Now it's spinning the clothes. To remove excess water, this is the final step. You'll see that the light indicator is on the spin process. We only have 9 more minutes left. Only 1 minute left and it'll be finished with the spin process. We still need to hang the clothes after this, but it'll dry out easily in about an hour or 2. Let's just wait for the alarm to go off before opening the lid. There you go, finally it's now completely done. Our clothes are now clean and fresh. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye for now.